Hi guys, so we are going picking up, actually we are here picking up my mail that I ordered online from Chanel. I'm having this frappuccino. Guys, my bag of the day is my pochette accessoire or accessory. So I removed the other strap that I used this from, I got for free. I don't mind this strap, even though this is for Damir Ibn. And here is the box that I got it today. So let's unbox that later today. Hi guys, welcome back again to my channel. I have another unboxing today. So I did ending up getting this item from Chanel website, and this is a beauty product, guys, and this is their summer 21 collection. And I just, since we are driving around and picking up this one in the mail, might as well do unbox inside the car. Let's open this one. Let's do first time I'm having unboxing inside the car. Maybe I will do that next time. Put this side. There it is, guys, the item. A two-way. Okay, that's my return slip. I actually waiting for this almost like a month because I want to try this so bad. Put everything in the side and a blank card, of course. Let's see. Maybe I will do a little bit review for these items. This is the items, guys, in here. So let's start with a sample that they sent me. I asked for this sample mascara because I really love their mascara, guys. And perfume. This. They give me, or sometimes they give me a few, but this time there's only this. So let's start with this one. This is Layla Beige Healthy Glow Bronzing Cream. I have been eyeing this. The first time it come out with this, I wanted so bad. I said like, maybe I will try different ones. But this one is, people having reviewed this. This is their latest, newest version of this. So that's why I really want to get this item so bad. And a really big, by the way. Look at that, how big it is. It's so nice packaging as well. It's what is that? Glass plastic or just a glass?
It's like a
plastic glass.
Plastic.
Yeah, it's a plastic, but it's good quality of plastic, guys. It's really nice. I like the packaging of Chanel, by the way. This is what it looks like, guys. I got in Tat number 395 Soleil Tan Deep Bronzing. So they have, this is the, like I mentioned, this is their latest bronzing. They have the other one, the lightest one, but I don't know, I did read a review about that, and some people doesn't like it, and they said this is a good one, so I want to try it. So the next one I order is the same Le Beige UD Tint Water Fresh Tint Light Dip. That the shade, I asked this one in here in the UK that what are my shades, so I can at least order in the US website. US website, by the way, it take a long time to receive me all the time. That's why sometimes I order in the UK. So this is comes with this. We have a manual, instructions how to use it, and it comes with this brush. The brush is so cute. Look at that, guys. Very soft. That's why I want to try do a the product that I purchased from Chanel. I want to do a review for that. And the item, guys, is this. I read about this. So many people, like I said, mentioned before, that I always do watch a YouTube before I purchase something. So this is the product. I hopefully that this one is not too dark on me, but when I did sample this on my face, the lady, she told me that this is my shade, and hopefully that this is actually my shade. But I'm not sure though. This is a light tip. The packaging is beautiful. Plastic again, it's not really cheap, plasticky kind of packaging. It's very luxurious kind of feeling. And this is a 30 ml, 1 fluid ounce. And yeah, so let's put a little bit on my, so that's what it looks like. It's very watery. And guys, you can see, maybe put on my, it does look like a, this is perfect for summer. That's why I got this one, because it's very light and healthy glow feeling. I don't know if you can see, guys, the light. It's actually my shades. I was surprised. It's different on my face when she put it, but in my hands it does look natural. I don't know, because the light, there you go, guys. It's really like natural. It has a little bit of scent. Yeah, it just like a water. It's really very nice. And like I said, some people having this and they like it so much. They're every day, especially in the summertime. Very hopefully that I will love this item. And so far so good. I seen it's all quickly dry on my hand, and it's very like almost nothing. Look at that. So guys, it's really bright when it